What's up, everybody? It is your boy Noah, son of the barber, and I'm back with another haircut tutorial. Today I'm doing a high taper. Well, it's kind of like a high taper, yeah. And yeah, my first step right here is just putting in my guidelines. I'm putting in a guideline kind of diagonal, straight from that line where you line it up right there, straight down like at an angle. And yeah, those are my first guidelines that I'm using. Right here, I just grab my shavers and I'm just balding out that bottom part to make that taper stand out better. So my first step, like always, is just to have the lever open, and I go up about 1/2 inch. So here you see I close the lever halfway and I flick up that bottom line, and then you'll see that I eventually close it and use the corners to erase that bottom line completely. Here I put the number 1 guard and I have the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about another 1/2 inch, keeping the guidelines consistent and nice and straight. Right here I also close the lever and flick out that bottom line that I just created with the 1 open. And as you also can see, I grab the 1/2 guard and I have the lever all the way closed, and I'm flicking out that bottom line that I just created with the 1 open. Here I put on the 1.5 guard and I go up another 1/2 inch, keeping my lines nice and consistent. Right here I've closed the lever and I'm just going underneath what I created with the 1.5 open, making sure not to go above it though. Here, same thing, same steps, guys. I have the number 2 guard open and I'm going up the same amount every time. I eventually close the lever to attack what I just created with the 2 open. So basically here, I'm just detailing it. I put the 1.5 guard halfway open and I'm just using the corners to finish it up. So with this taper, guys, I do the same exact steps for the back and the other side. So again, just grabbing the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Here, close the lever halfway and attack to soften up that bottom line to eventually take it out with the lever closed using your corners. So right here, 1 open, going up about another 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and then I'll eventually close the lever to take out that bottom line that 1 open always leaves behind. So here, the 1 close didn't get rid of that bottom line that I was telling you guys about. So I grabbed the 1/2 guard, and I think it's closed. It might be halfway, but I'm just using the corners, doing whatever it takes to get rid of that middle line. Just staying with the concept here, guys, with the 1.5 guard open, going up about another 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and just keeping it really consistent and really sharp, really neat. Because if you guys don't have sharp and neat guidelines, then the fade will just be a mess and it'll just really look sloppy. So you want to keep it real clean. By now, I'm pretty sure you guys already know what to do. Just close the lever and attack what you just created with the 1.5 open, just staying underneath what you just created. Here I have the 2 guard closed and I'm just flicking out that top remaining bulk. right here, guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's still a little faint line that I see. So I went back with the one guard. I think that's halfway, might be closed. And I'm just attacking that line that I see. I eventually go back to the half guard closed, and then just do whatever it takes to get rid of any lines that you see. Make sure you only use your corners, because if you use the whole blade, you might bring the fade all up, and that's not what you want to do. So I use all these guards, but just using the corners to take out that line that I see. So yeah, as you guys can see, the back taper's looking pretty fresh now. I'm just really detailing my work. Those details are gonna really take your face to the next level. You're gonna always want to detail your work. So yeah, on the next side right here, it's the same steps, so I'm not gonna be talking during these ones, but I'll show you more at the end of the video, guys. So here I'm getting ready to line it up, and this lineup always makes that taper pop out. So yeah, guys, just putting up those finishing touches. As you can see, it came out pretty clean. I was pretty happy with the result, and I'm pretty sure my client was too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Noah Son of the Barber, and I'm out. Peace.